Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So featured today is this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Sport 30 TFSI. Now this particular example is finished in the ibis white paintwork and does also feature the S-tronic gearbox. Moving on now and looking at the recent service history, this particular example did have a new car PDI check on the 30th of the 5th, 2023, and has recently undergone a used car MPC check here at Stafford Audi on the 21st of the 2nd, 2024. Moving on now to the exterior key features of this vehicle, where we do find these gorgeous LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, where we do also find these fantastic 17-inch 5 parallel spoke design alloys, and they are also finished in that aluminium and do contrast against the white paintwork. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, where we do find this full leather interior finished in this gorgeous grey. There is also a leather centre armrest in which just fold down to present two useful cup holders, as well as the isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, but there's also more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably. Moving into the front now, where we do find a very well designed and laid out interior cabin with a large amount of leather, as well as the satin aluminium interior trim. With this being the sport specification, it does also mean that the sportiness does continue on into the interior with these two fantastic front seats with the tram lines running downwards. Now looking towards the driver's view of the vehicle, we do find this fantastic setup with a round Napa leather steering wheel, which does also have the multi-functionality as well as the shifter pedals behind. Below the steering wheel now, we do find the store for the speed limiter assist as well as the adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys. Looking towards the virtual cockpit now, where we do find these two digital rev counters. Then by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the virtual display. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, in which has also featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving just below this now, we do also find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control. It is very easily adjustable, and the auto and sync functionalities are just to the left, as well as the max and rear heated screen just to the right. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.